All right, this is what we've been woken up to. This poor individual over here is trying to get their vehicle going. This has been going on for the last 10 minutes. I'm not quite sure what's happened. So that right there has been going on for 10 minutes. And then they try to go, but it just dies.
I got a huge vacuum.
Yeah. Oh, blowing smoke. Yeah, black smoke.
Yeah, this is the fuel. Just dump it.
Uh-oh. Come on, come on. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wow, that sounded much better. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Did you think it was going to blow?
Kind of. Yeah. I wasn't sure what was
When in
going on.
doubt, put the pedal to the floor, right?
It sounds like it's still going.
Well, we don't hear a revving it anymore. You can't see it, but the rain is coming.
Yeah.
On the other side of the rig.
Well, it is. It's getting kind of darker clouds out here today.
Oh, yeah.
We are prepared for the rains.
Batten down the hatches.
Batten down the hatch. All right. Well, hopefully that person makes it home so they can have a good Thanksgiving. I'm going in to get ready and start my day for Thanksgiving. See you guys in a bit. All right, we are getting ready to go down to the casino. Let's go have some turkey, Aj. Come on, Scott. Come on in, sir. Gobble, gobble, gobble. All right, we're all trying to wait in line here. Well, we're not trying to. We have to wait in line. This is the line to get a pager. This line goes all the way back and around through where the pool is. So we're going to get three pagers, 3 pagers, 2 12-seaters, 1 4-seater, and hopefully we can get our whole group. And I think we have 28 people with us today. So we're just waiting, and then we'll be able to go into the buffet. Well, we're all sitting here waiting for our table. We've got about an hour. Some people have come from... there's Jimmy and Michelle and Art.
Well, it's a good thing we got an extra
I know.
seat. Now, will they have extra chairs?
What do we count? 28 people? All right, we're still waiting. Got our whole group here plus some extras. Just waiting we've got 4 pagers. We're waiting for pagers to go off. We've got designated seats for everybody. So everybody should be able to get into dinner tonight and have some turkey.
Today until 7 o'clock.
Well, we finally made it in here 2 hours later. And they have got some yummy, yummy food. We've got prime rib, turkey ham, stuffing, mashed potatoes.
Shrimp.
Oh yeah, Scotty even got shrimp.
Big old shrimp.
Shrimp. Aja's already done with her first plate. Appetizers. All right, we're gonna have our Thanksgiving meal.
You can't be done, are you?
I think everybody had too much turkey.
I haven't had any turkey yet.
Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Ah!
I'll fix it.
Aja! Hey, turkey. Turkey pie. Oh no.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Still recording.
I know.
Here, let me see.
I just stuck cream in my camera. Goodbye. Are you full?
I am. That's why I'm laying up here in bed ready for the turkey tryptophan, blah, blah, blah.
Tryptophan?
Yeah, whatever it is.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, even though I didn't have any turkey.
Oh my gosh. We waited down there to get into that buffet for 2 hours. And once we got into the buffet, everybody just scarfed. I took it really slow. I
So
was
did I.
the last one to eat, to finish. I didn't want to be that full. So Aja's in her rig, Sue and Ed are in theirs, Dave's in his, Jimmy's back up at his. We're all taking naps, I think.
Like I'm sure most every
Yeah.
other person out there too.
Well, Scotty's going to take a nap. I am going to get this video here and the rest of our video of the day onto the computer. I'm going to edit it out for you guys so you guys can see what you're seeing right now. Right?
Yeah, you have to work still.
Yeah. Anyways, we love you guys all. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you all had a really nice one. And it's been a good day.
Give your family all hugs
Yeah, really glad.
while you can.
Really thankful that we had a great day.
Absolutely.
Thankful for a
Absolutely.
lot of things. So,
Absolutely.
anyways, we love you guys. Be kind, and we'll see you guys another day.
Be good to each other.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.